Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing the alphabetical makeup challenge, like doing your makeup in alphabetical order. I saw James Charles do this, Nikkie tutorials do this, and I thought it was actually really fun and interesting, so I thought, why not try it? Like, it'll be fun. So, I have all my products that I have. I will read you guys off the order that I do my makeup in and then the order that it should be in. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button if you would love to join the fam. I would love to have you, and do it if you want. Give this video a big thumbs up if you end up liking it at the end, and if you think this is funny, or if you've seen James's and Nikkie tutorials videos. Click the notification bell so you know that every time I upload a video and post on my community wall. So let's get right on into it.
Darling,
Alright, so the order that I do my makeup is I prime, foundation, concealer, setting powder, contour, bronze, blush, setting spray, eyeshadow, liquid liner, eyeliner, mascara, eyebrows, highlight, setting spray again. The order it's supposed to be in is blush, bronze, concealer, contour, eyeshadow, eyebrows, eyeliner, foundation, highlight, liquid liner, mascara, primer, setting powder, setting spray. This is gonna be interesting. So, in Nikkie's video, she said, use system. I'm gonna use the system. So for blush, we're gonna use a cream blush. This is the Tarte Tipsy Cheek Stain. Use this to my freaking advantage, and you literally just, I don't know what's going on with my like redness on my face over here. We're just gonna ignore it. So we're literally just going to dab this. Oh crap. And then we're going to take this Tarte brush. And we're going to blend it because we still don't want to, it smells really good. All right, and this side needs a little bit more. Well, I just jumped right. This is insane. I don't really do this kind of blush anymore. So, bronzer. I have, thank the Lord I have this. I have the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Latte. Not my shade, but I guess it's gonna do. I also never apply this to my actual face, but that's what we're doing today. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look so bad. I thought that this video would be fun, because I never do challenges, so. Apply a little bit more because you can't even tell that I did anything like on my forehead. Concealer. Today we're going to be using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And we're literally going to apply this everywhere that we apply concealer because we are not cheating. And we're going to use it to put on our eyelids. I look like I'm wearing a mask. Oh my god, you can like start seeing, oh no, oh Lord help me, okay. Like, look at this, like, big blob of something. Next is contour. Using the Smashbox Holidays palette. And we're applying away with contour. I think now it's really starting to pick up the bronzer. Yeah, it is. I can see it. Okay. Alright. Contouring. Done. Also gonna blend. I didn't blend. I'm sorry. So, palette we're gonna be going in with today is the, no, I had it right, the James Charles palette by Morphe. To set everything, I am gonna go in with the shade Flashback, which is the white. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Next, we're gonna go in with the shade Tune. It's like that yellowy shade in the palette. We're gonna put that in our crease. Nice transition shade. There you go. This is literally such a beautiful color. This is a beautiful palette. If you have not gotten your hands on it, I believe it is still for sale. I'm telling you to get it. You have to. We're gonna go in with the shade Rusted. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. You can tell I haven't used this shade in the palette yet. We're gonna go in with your Kidding and put that in the outer corner. The shade Face as well. And apply that because I think that's just gonna be a better match. Yeah, it's a little bit of a better match. Next is eyeliner, which is the underneath of it. So this is the Clinique, what are you? Quick liner. And we're literally just doing our waterline. All right. Next is, oh, I forgot eyebrows. My bad. Eyebrows. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. This won't be too hard because my brows are a little bit thick, so I don't need to really fill them in. And we're going to be taking the Benefit Gimme Brown, the shade 3, which is the dark brown, to set them. We better hope when I do my foundation that it doesn't move my brows. Alright, well, that's done. I look insane. Alright, so next is foundation. Looks like a better shade, alright. Applying it with this. This is the most ratchetest way I've applied foundation. Alright, we're done with that. So the contour, it's kind of there, not really. Bronzer's gone, blush gone, still. Now the foundation's on. What's next? Highlight. Yay. All right. Ofra highlighter in the shade Star Island. Look at how gorgeous this is. Beautiful. Swirl it in and apply it to the cheeks, because you know what, if we don't have any bronzer or blush that's available, but look, you could looks muddy. You know, we're just not going to talk about it, and we're just going to highlight. Okay, when in doubt, highlight. Okay, liquid liner. Oh, all right, so we're using the Tarte Double Take eyeliner. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna be facing my mirror. One down. One to go. This one's always my worst one. All right, what's after that? What's next? What's next? Lip. You figure out a lip. That shade by the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Posh Spice. We're gonna go in with the shade Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star as well. Don't know with the lip, like with the eye look, but like, we like it. Okay, next. mascara. Going in with the ColourPop BFF mascara. I have something on my eye. Okay, going in with the ColourPop BFF mascara. That highlighter is blinding. You can literally see it. Sweet. Now, primer. But if you think I'm going to ruin this look, you're wrong, because it's not horrible. Guess what I found out when I was looking for primers? The MAC Fix Plus is a prep and prime. Prep and prime. So we're going to prime. Primed. Ash. Next is setting powder. Love how backwards this is. We're going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Butter. Oh, and I'm not the only one who notices the smell of this. Jaclyn Hill does. Sure. That helped. And the last step is setting spray. We're going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Alright, and this is the final look. Turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Was looking a little crazy in the beginning, but this actually is not that bad. The lip combo, best lip combo ever. Okay, I'm gonna let you know what it is again. This is just the Jeffree Star lip liner, and then Jeffree Star Christmas Cookie liquid lipstick. Eye look is amazing. I never really do those types of looks. Not really into doing the lower lash line anymore with eyeshadow. Just not feeling it, to be honest. It didn't look that bad. This highlighter though from Ofra, poppin'. Look at it. This wasn't that bad of a challenge. In James Charles' video and Nikkie Tutorial's videos, they also looked amazing. Didn't turn out that bad. I mean, I don't have any blush, don't really have any bronzer. I'm kind of like flat faced, so that's the only annoying part. But other than that, it's pretty freaking good. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video because it's really different. I don't do challenges that much, and it was fun. It was a fun challenge. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm not going to let you know what it is. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Click that notification bell so that you know every time that I upload a video. Subscribe and join the fam if you want. Comment down below if you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.